Stratospheric aerosol injection that ties into geoengineering, climate control, and sky concealment theories. First, a brief overview of stratospheric aerosol injection, or SI. Then we'll delve into its possible cloaking or veiling effects. What is stratospheric aerosol injection SI? SAI is a proposed geoengineering solution, a method of injecting reflective particles into the stratosphere, around 10 to 50 kilometers above Earth's surface. These particles, which could be sulfur dioxide, calcium carbonate, or alumina, would help reflect sunlight back into space, cooling the planet and slowing down the global warming trend. Think of it as a solar shield. It has an idea that has been around since the 1960s, and it is modeled after the cooling effect of large volcanic eruptions like the 1991 eruption of Mount Pinatubo in the Philippines. Large eruptions inject aerosols into the stratosphere, which blocks sunlight and cause global temperatures to drop for a few years. But with SI, the idea is to have more control over this process to counteract climate change. Currently, there's no official worldwide deployment of SI, but experiments and patents do exist. Now let's talk about the cloaking veil aspect. How might stratospheric aerosol injection obscure our view of the sky? Literal sky veil. When sprayed into the atmosphere, the particles from stratospheric aerosol injection form a thin reflective veil around the Earth. This veil can alter our perception of the sky, making it appear cloudy, hazy, or even white. The sunlight that passes through this veil is diffuse and less blue, giving the sky a whitish glow similar to the aftermath of a volcanic eruption. As a result, the stars may become harder to see. This literal veiling of the sky is where conspiracy theories often take off, suggesting that important celestial objects or events are being hidden from our view. Some believe that this veil is used to conceal planets, like Nibiru or Planet X, while others think it's used to hide extraterrestrial spacecraft or unusual celestial phenomena. To be symbolic, social veil, information regarding SI is often downplayed, renamed, or otherwise hidden, which creates a veil of secrecy over what is really happening. Officially, stratospheric aerosol injection is referred to as geoengineering research. However, in public discourse, it's often dismissed as a baseless chemtrail conspiracy theory. This symbolic veil serves to obscure the truth about who is testing stratospheric aerosol injection and what its potential consequences might be. By controlling the narrative around SI, those with access to this technology can dictate how the public